Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to link WhatsApp to your Facebook page. So in order to do it, let's open the Facebook app first. Now go to menu and search for pages. After you see it, tap on it. Now here, depending on your page name, it will show up in the top here. Tap on it. Now simply hit switch. This will switch to your page. Now go to your profile, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. From here, tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on linked accounts. After this, you'll find the option to link your WhatsApp. Tap on it. Now here, you can change your country and enter your WhatsApp number that you want to link to your Facebook. After you enter the number, now Facebook will send the code which you need to enter here, and after that, your WhatsApp will be linked with your Facebook page. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.